Why does cutting an onion instantly make your eyes burn? Let's break down the chemistry behind onion tears and how you can reduce them. When you slice an onion, your eyes start stinging almost immediately. It feels like the onion is fighting back, and in a way, it is. Onions contain sulfur compounds locked inside their cells. When you cut them, you break those cells open. An enzyme called alliinase reacts with these sulfur compounds and creates a gas called propanethial S oxide. When this gas reaches your eyes, it mixes with the water in your tears and forms a mild acid. Your eyes respond by producing even more tears to wash it away. To reduce the burn, chill your onions before cutting. Cold temperatures slow down the enzyme reaction, meaning less irritant gas is released. Scientists have actually bred tearless onions by reducing the enzyme that creates the irritant. Follow for more food explained simply on the flavor breakdown.